In 2026, we find ourselves adrift in a sea of engineered obsolescence. Most consumer electronics, churned out by the metric ton, are designed with a fleeting lifespan, destined for the landfill before the next quarterly sales report. It is a cynical paradigm, a testament to the plastic era's disregard for both resources and the user's finite patience. But occasionally, a device emerges that defies this trend, built not merely to function, but to endure, to provide a tangible return on your investment of both capital and time. The PETLIBRO AI camera is one such anomaly. This isn't a disposable toy. It's an operational asset, a strategic node in your connected home that offers more than just security. It offers intelligence. Consider the multi-pet recognition. For those juggling multiple demanding schedules and furry companions, the friction of endlessly scrubbing through hours of generic footage is a quantifiable drain. This system, with its ability to distinguish up to 5 different animals and label their activities by name, buys you back precious minutes. If you save just 5 minutes a day searching for Fido's antics or Fluffy's lunch, but is nearly 30 minutes a week, close to 2 hours a month, and a staggering 24 hours a year, that is an entire day reclaimed simply by smarter data organization. This is not about surveillance. It is about efficiency, about buying back your morning, every morning. The physical presence of the unit speaks volumes. This is not a flimsy piece of plastic that will vibrate itself off a shelf. You feel its considered density. It's approximately 1 pound, 4 ounce mass, giving it an undeniable stability. The smooth, near-silent rotation of its 360-degree pan and tilt mechanism suggests careful engineering, a precision usually reserved for industrial-grade automation, not a pet camera. There is zero flex in its chassis, providing a robust housing for the 1080-pixel optics and the intelligent AI processing core. It is built to sit firm, to perform without wobbling or hesitation, a calm sentinel in a chaotic world. Now, for a strategic nuance that distinguishes this from its bargain bin brethren, to truly unlock its full potential, its multi-pet recognition, its smart summaries, and comprehensive cloud storage, a subscription service is necessary. This is not an oversight, it is a design choice. Consider it the operational overhead for an intelligent platform. Cheaper alternatives offer local storage to a vulnerable SD card or rudimentary unanalyzed footage. The PETLIBRO system, by contrast, provides a sophisticated data service, delivering insights rather than just raw video. It is a professional solution, demanding a professional grade of service. It is a testament to its capabilities that the advanced AI requires an ongoing data infrastructure to provide the kind of nuanced, time-saving analysis that busy professionals demand. Global supply chains in 2026 are, as we all know, a volatile beast. Regional stock can vanish in an instant, and prices ebb and flow with unpredictable tides. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.